You don't need a camera. You don't need a studio. You don't need to know how to edit. In fact, you can go from a blank page to a finished, published YouTube video in under 2 hours using one tool. That tool is Pictory. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step. No fluff, no filler. Let's build. Hey, welcome to Prompt and Publish. This channel is about one thing: using AI to create and publish content faster than most people think is possible. YouTube videos, blog posts, social clips, all built with AI workflows. Today we're starting with Pictory, an AI video tool that takes your script and turns it into a full video automatically. Stock footage, captions, voiceover, music, all of it. And yes, I used Pictory to make this video. So what you're watching right now is proof the workflow works. Every video starts with a script. And here's where most people overcomplicate it. Pick a topic people are already searching for. For Faceless YouTube channel, search-driven topics are your best friend. Things like how-to, best tools for, beginner guide to, specific, searchable, useful. Then use an AI writing tool to generate your script. Claude, ChatGPT, either works. Here's the exact prompt I use. Write a clear, beginner-friendly YouTube script explaining your topic. Keep it conversational, direct, and around 900 words. Break it into short paragraphs. Include a hook, step-by-step body, and a strong call to action at the end. You'll have a full draft in under 30 seconds. Before you move on, read it out loud. Fix anything that sounds robotic. Cut anything that repeats. The cleaner your script, the better Pictory's output will be. Garbage in, garbage out. Now go to Pictory AI and create a free account. Once you're in, click Script to Video. Paste your script into the text box. Pictory reads it sentence by sentence and automatically matches each line to a relevant stock video clip from its library of millions of videos. Hit Proceed and watch it build your video in real time. This part genuinely feels like magic the first time you see it. Now, the auto match isn't perfect. Some clips will be spot on. Others will be random. That's normal. You're going to spend about 15 minutes swapping out the ones that don't fit. Click any scene, search for a replacement clip in the sidebar, and drop it in. Pictory has millions of Getty and Storyblocks clips built in. You'll find what you need. Pictory handles voiceover right inside the editor. You don't need a separate tool. In the Audio tab, you have two options. Option 1. Use Pictory's built-in AI voices. There are dozens to choose from. Pick one that sounds clear and natural. Avoid anything that sounds overly robotic or dramatic. Preview a few before you commit. Option 2. Record your own voice and upload it. If you have even a basic USB mic, your own voice will almost always sound more engaging than an AI voice. Worth trying. Either way, once your voiceover is set, Pictory automatically syncs it to your video clips. The timing adjusts to match your audio length. You don't have to do this manually. Also in this tab, background music. Pictory has a built-in music library. Pick something low-key and instrumental, set the volume to around 15%, and move on. If Pictory is already making sense as a tool for you, a like helps YouTube show this to more people who need it. Takes 1 second. And if you want more AI workflows like this, tools, prompts, channel growth strategies, subscribe. That's exactly what this channel covers every week. Okay? Step 4. Captions. Captions are one of the highest impacted things you can do for retention. A lot of people watch YouTube with the sound off, especially on mobile. Captions keep them watching. Pictory auto-generates captions from your script. They're already timed to the voiceover. Go to the Captions tab, turn them on, pick a style. Bold text at the bottom of the screen works best for most niches, and you're done. While you're here, add your branding. Pictory lets you drop in a logo watermark and set your brand colors. Even on a first video, this makes it look like you've been doing this for a while. Set your intro and outro cards too. Pictory has templates. Pick one, add your channel name, done. This is what plays at the beginning and end of every video and starts building brand recognition from day one. You're done inside Pictory. Hit the export button, select 1080p and let it render. Depending on your video length, this takes 5 to 10 minutes. Go make a coffee. While it's rendering, build your thumbnail. Use Canva. It's free. Search YouTube thumbnail in the templates. Pick a dark, high-contrast design and swap in your title text. 3 rules for a thumbnail that gets clicked. Big, bold text. 3 to 4 words max. Readable at small size. High contrast. Dark background, light text, or vice versa. 1 clear image, a screenshot of Pictory, a logo, or a simple icon. No clutter. Now go to YouTube Studio. Upload your exported video. Paste in your title, make it exactly what someone would search. How to make faceless YouTube videos with Pictory AI is searchable. My AI video workflow is not. Write 2 to 3 sentences for your description. Then list the tools you used: Pictory, Claude or ChatGPT, Canva. That's your description done. Upload your thumbnail, hit publish. And that's the complete Pictory workflow. Script, video, voiceover, captions, branding, export, upload. The whole thing, from blank page to published video, takes about 2 hours the first time. By your third video, you'll be doing it in under an hour. If this walkthrough saved you hours of research, subscribe. Every week, I cover a different AI content tool. Full walkthroughs, honest reviews, no hype. Next week, we're looking at InVideo AI and how it stacks up against Pictory. Drop a comment below telling me what your channel topic is going to be. I read every single one, and I'll give you feedback. Now stop watching and go make your first video.